Now, this is on the subject of the Declaration of Prohibited Immigrant and Deportation Proceedings. So, as Minister of Home Affairs and Immigration, I have exercised my authority under the Immigration Act to declare Kia Emma Belinga, a United Kingdom national known by her screen name Bonnie Blue, a prohibited immigrant. Mrs. Belinga entered Fiji on 17th November, 2 days ago, on a visitor permit, but has been found to have breached the conditions of her stay. Deportation proceedings have been initiated, and the Ministry will ensure this process is carried out promptly and in accordance with the law. This decision reflects our commitment to safeguarding Fiji's borders and maintaining the integrity of our immigration system. I would like to stress that while Fiji warmly welcomes all visitors who respect and abide by our laws, any violations will be addressed decisively to protect the interests of our nation. I commend the Immigration Department and law enforcement agencies for their diligence and professionalism in managing this matter. Thank you.